Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can leverage a DuckDB to query your S3 table buckets locally on your machine. So this video will show you how to leverage DuckDB and query your table buckets. So let's begin the hands-on lab. Okay. So the first step is we are assuming that you have some table buckets already, and then you have some data in it. I am going to use this table bucket, and I have two tables, bronze order and silver orders. So hopefully you have some data and you have some table buckets already set up, and I'm going to show you how to query them. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to export AWS access, secret, and region. Make sure you export these variables. I do not want to reveal them, of course, so I have already done that prior to the video. Now, as you can see, I'm going to start my DuckDB with the command duckdb, the path where I would like to have my DuckDB. So I can open up my terminal, and you can see I have my DuckDB shell. Now I will install these library AWS, HTTPFS, iSpark, and then I'm gonna call a procedure called load AWS credential. Gonna do that. Okay, cool. And now we will use the command AWS S3 tables get tables, and I think I will probably do this way so that way you guys can see a little better, I would say. Okay, hopefully this should be good enough for you guys. Okay, so the command is S3. Let me just fix that quickly. S3 tables get table, the table bucket ARN, the on of the table bucket. So that will be, if you go back to your table buckets, this ARN, that's the ARN we're talking about. Namespace. Inside this, you can see table buckets can have multiple namespace. Each namespace can have many tables, right? This is the namespace that I want to use. And then the table name, right? So now what we will do, open up a new terminal there, paste this one. Now let me show you what this was gonna output, right? So if you see here, right, metadata location, right? So internally it looks like Amazon is creating or copying that metadata in this particular bucket. I can copy that metadata file, S3 : etc, etc. And now I can use the query, select everything from iSpark scan. I can remove these, paste my metadata file over here, go to my DuckDB, and here you can see I'm now able to query my table buckets via DuckDB locally. So I have all the steps on the GitHub. So in case if you are looking for the snippets and etc, I have them on my GitHub. So here you can see DuckDB S3 table buckets, and here are all the steps mentioned. So I hope you have enjoyed. I hope the video was informative, and if you have any question, list your question in the comment. And until then, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you next time.